Paper sculpture. Materials: construction paper, multiple colors, scissors to use with grown-ups' help, glue, pencil. To make a paper sculpture, choose a piece of paper for your base and lay it sideways. Roll 3 green paper squares into cylinders. Glue the sides of the paper together to create each cylinder. With scissors, make cuts at even intervals at the top and bottom of the cylinders to create tabs. Fold the tabs down flat. Tear 3 circular shapes from pink paper to make flowers. Tear out 3 small yellow circles to be the center of the flowers. Glue a torn yellow circle into the middle of each torn pink circle. Tear out 6 leaf shapes from green paper. Arrange 2 leaves on the back of each flower shape and glue a green cylinder on top, attaching with the paper tabs. Roll a small cylinder from orange paper. Glue the sides together. Take a small square of orange paper and trim the edges to create a circle. Cut a spiral into the orange paper circle, being sure to leave a round center large enough to glue on the orange cylinder. Trim the height of the orange cylinder if needed. Make cuts at even intervals on the top and bottom of the cylinder to make tabs. Fold the tabs down flat. Glue one end of the orange cylinder to the center of the paper spiral. Cut out 6 small rectangles from green paper. Fold over each rectangle lengthwise to create an edge for gluing down on the base paper. Make small cuts with scissors across each rectangle to create fringe, being sure to stop cutting at the folded edge. Cut out a long rectangle from orange paper. Fold the orange rectangle back and forth accordion style to make pleats. Cut out a large rectangle from blue paper, just slightly smaller than the height of the base paper. Cut the blue rectangle into geometric shapes. Reform the rectangle on the base paper with space between each cut geometric shape to make it like a mosaic. Glue the shapes down. Arrange and glue down the orange spiral and pink flowers to the base paper. Glue the pleated orange rectangle to the underside of the orange spiral and to the base paper to create stairs. Trim the orange rectangle if needed. Arrange and glue down the green fringe to the base paper. Now you have a paper sculpture. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media. #Appleton Museum at Home.